Good morning. I'm starting my day. I started it already. I forgot to take any video. I'm just learning. And I realized I really haven't talked very much about Good Morning Love. So I wrote and published Good Morning Love like I do every single day. And the strangest thing happened with Good Morning Love. It started out just like my haiku practice, just like my hugging tree practice. It started because I wanted to do something to honor my mom, who used to always say, "Good morning, love." That was how she greeted me. But I started to write it because I was alone much more alone than after being a busy mom of 3, kids at home, life happening, hurry scurrying all the time. And so I wrote Good Morning Love, for one thing, to make sure I got my morning writing practice done. But the other thing, to create a community of friends, because my Facebook page is a place where I have friends from all different parts of my life are there. To this day, I don't know how much longer I'll keep doing it on Facebook, though. We'll see. Anyway, the day has started. I actually got dressed already, and I'm ready to go out for my morning walk. So I'm glad to see you today. I'm so grateful that you're following along on my new or practicing or just an experiment vlogging adventure. Walking on the Robert Frost Trail was a delight, and I wanted to share one of his most famous poems with you today, "The Road Not Taken." 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could go to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Take a moment to think about a time when you took a road, made one choice, and what came next. I write every day, even on the road. And at this point, I was working on finishing the haiku book, so I'm sure I'm diligently doing that. Oh my goodness. I was fairly diligent with getting this project done, but I actually did not complete it until I was back in Sussex. Very grateful that I did get it done, though. On Sundays, I also facilitate a book club discussion. The people are mostly in California, so it's on Sunday afternoons. And here I am preparing by reading from the book James by, it looks like I'm sleeping, but I'm really not. I'm pondering the questions. Well, I drove from the house sitting adventure, and now I am here in, what's this town called? I'm near Mount Greylock, which is the reason that I chose to come in this area, because I wanted to go to the highest point in Massachusetts. It's also an Appalachian Trail area. And I'm not going to be living as close to the Appalachian Trail soon. And since I'm here, it's like, when will I come this way again? I don't know. And the way I'm living my life now is to enjoy every moment to the fullest. So here I am. And the place is really cute, but I can't get in because the person stepped away for a few minutes. And who knows what that means. I have my stopwatch on, so I'm giving them 10 minutes and then I'll call. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my adventures today. I brought my book over here so I could keep reading. And thanks again for watching my vlog today. It's on a little country road with this traffic. All right, the next thing I'm going to do, just so you know, is I'm going to retake about 15 seconds of the video that I'm going to put out tomorrow. So it'll probably be 2 weeks from now. when you see me talking about this. It's the first writer's pep talk, which is really fun to make. But when I start the writer's pep talk, I sound like I'm like on death's doorstep. It's like my energy's not there. So I decided I'll retape it here. Anyway, thanks again for watching.